With GAT+, admins can change whether or not certain users can view conversations in a group. This process can be done individually or in bulk for multiple users. Start off by going to the Groups Audit section of GAT+. Now apply a filter by selecting the funnel icon. Next, create a filter using the various definitions to narrow down your search for the group of users. When you've found the group in your search, select the Export Data button and choose Export to Google Sheet. The tool will generate a Google spreadsheet. Once it's finished generating, select Click to View on the notification that appears. You'll be taken to the spreadsheet containing all the user data for the group. Identify which users you would like to change viewing permissions for. Next, find the Who Can View Group column and make the relevant changes. Please note that the Who Can View Group tag is equal to Who Can View Conversations. After making the changes, the spreadsheet will be ready to re-import back in GAT+. You can now close the tab. Moving back to GAT+'s Group Audit section, we'll now select the Import Data button. You should now see the spreadsheet we created. Selecting the eye icon will let you preview the spreadsheet. Click the checkmark to proceed. This window will show you the before and after changes that have been made. Click Accept to proceed. Please note, the import process shouldn't take long, however it does depend on the number of records being changed. When completed, you will see a Data Updated Successfully pop-up. This action will also be logged under the Admin Log tab, which can be found in the Configuration area. That covers this GAT+ how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT+ by following the link in the description.